Hey guys, I'm just coming in real quick to give you an update on my failed Duo Evo Plus debacle and dealing with the Instant Brands company and working through that. So if you haven't seen my first video where I talked about the reasons why it failed and all that, check up in the cards and watch that video first. So last I left off, I was about to contact customer service, and I did do that. I sent them an email. And when you go to the website and you open a ticket, you have a spot where you can drop pictures, and so they ask you to put a picture of the like the silver sticker on the back of the Instant Pot, and I think that was it. Anything else that pertains to it. So I put a picture of the C7 error code that I got, and so I sent that in, and I sent that in on a Thursday afternoon. And I got a response on Sunday morning. So it took 2 to 3 days to get a response, which actually is pretty good for being a Thursday afternoon and then getting a response on the weekend. I was expecting not to hear anything until, at least Monday for business hours. So I got an email back on Sunday morning saying that sometimes you can get the C7 error code if something spilled in the inner pot. And if something spilled in there, I imagine that would make the heating element maybe go out. And so he asked to my knowledge, if anything had spilled in there. And he also asked that I send a picture of the inside of the base without the inner pot in it, probably to see if something had spilled on it or whatever, see if it was still, it hadn't been misused or something, I don't know. And also, this was the other interesting thing, is he asked for a picture of the sticker on the bottom of the Instant Pot, a round sticker on the bottom of the Instant Pot. And so I took the picture of the heating element without the inner pot in there, and then I flipped it over to see, to find the round sticker, and I flipped it over and there was no round sticker on the bottom. So I was like, this is strange. And so I looked at my other Instant Pots, and on them, they had a round sticker on the bottom, and it was the quality control sticker. So saying that the pot had passed quality control. So I don't know why mine didn't have one. If it didn't have quality control, I definitely didn't take it off. Like I didn't peel it off myself. It could have come off at some other point, I don't know, but it didn't have one of those stickers. So when I wrote back and I sent him the picture of the heating element without the inner pot in there, and then I sent him a picture of the bottom of my Instant Pot and said, I don't have a sticker on the bottom of my Instant Pot, and that's how it was. And then I also said in the email that definitely nothing had spilled into the base without the inner pot in it. And so I sent that on Sunday, morning. I sent it right away after I got the email back from him. And then Monday morning, late morning, I got another email back from him saying, we are sending you a replacement, and that was it. So within, I think, a day or maybe 2 days, I got the email that the replacement had shipped, and then today is Friday, and I got the replacement in the mail. There it is down there. I haven't opened it yet. I was gonna open it up for you guys and check the bottom and see if there's a quality control sticker on there. So all in all, it took 8 days from when I sent the initial email to getting a replacement, which I think is fantastic customer service, and I thanked him profusely for the great customer service. And I did want to mention that I did not tell him that I was an Instant Pot YouTuber. I did not tell him that I am the author of an upcoming Instant Pot official authorized Instant Pot cookbook or anything like that, because I didn't want to get special treatment. I wanted to be able to report to you guys how customer service treated me without me having anything to do with Instant Pot or sharing their products. It is possible that they recognize my first name because I use my first name Nili and then my last name, but I find that to be unlikely. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a good idea of how customer service was and how my experience with it without being, an Instant Pot YouTuber. So my consolation prize for this whole debacle is that I don't have to send back the original pot, So I can keep the inner pot, so I'll have an extra inner pot for my Duo Evo Plus. I also can keep like the pieces off the lid, so if I happen to lose anything, I'll have those extra, and like the condensation collector, even the whole lid should be still fine because it was the heating element in the base that failed. So my plan is to just get rid of the base and keep everything else in a box and use it if I need it. All right, I'm definitely not going to do a whole unboxing for you guys because I did that back when I opened my original one. So if you're interested in all the different pieces, go back and watch that video for sure. I just want to pull this out and check the bottom real fast and see what I see. Here is the pot and the paperwork. That's all that's in here, it looks like. All right, here we go. Okay, there is no sticker on this one as well. That's very interesting. So if this one fails the same way as the other one, I will be suspicious, but I'm hoping for the best. So in case you're curious, this is my, let's see, this is the 6-quart Duo, and this is what the round sticker on the bottom looks like. I might email back the customer service and just ask real quick about what it means if it doesn't have one of these white stickers on the bottom, because I'm kind of curious at this point. So those of you that have a Duo Evo Plus at home, maybe check the bottom and let me know if you have a quality control sticker or not. That would be really interesting to hear. Maybe it's just they don't have quality control stickers on the Duo Evo Plus model or certain batches, I don't know. So as long as this new Instant Pot lasts, I am going to just be very happy with, you know, the customer service and, you know, Instant Pot. If this one fails as well, then I'll be kind of suspect of the quality of their products. I know that there was some talk in the comments on my last video and some of my other videos about how Instant Pot was bought out by the parent company to Corel, and that there's some worry that because it's under different management and growing really, really fast, that quality could, you know, be getting cut a little bit. I don't know that to be the case at all, and I've been super happy with all of my Instant Pots. This is the first time I've had a problem, so I'm not ready to say that there is a problem with the company or with the quality at all, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on whenever companies start growing like crazy and going under new management or new ownership or whatever. You just, you know, want to keep your eye on it. So anyways, I'll keep you updated with this new pot, and you guys know that I use it all the time in my Instant Pot dinners videos, and so I'm sure you'll be seeing it more, and if I have any issues, I will let you know. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again real soon.